In this video, I want to talk about how you can try and remove the minimum order inside of Temu. Now there are two things that you can try, and let me just quickly go through them. So the first one is you want to head over to contact us. It will open up a chatbot, and you want to type to the chatbot that you want to remove the minimum order. Now depending on your location, this might work for some people. So try that and see if that works. And if that doesn't work, there's a little workaround that you can try. So the second thing is you can try and add stuff to your cart and go above the minimum order. And once you've paid for it, you can go into your profile here, your orders. And inside of here, you want to find the items that you didn't want to buy, that you just added to get above the minimum order. And then you can refund those items. So you will still get the items that you want, and you refund the items that you didn't want. And that way you will get the money back for those, and you'll still be able to get the items. Now currently these are the only two ways that I know of, since there's no other way to do this. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.